Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable high contrast menu on your HISENSE TV. So first, go over to settings, and in those settings, go down to the accessibility. Now, go here, and here you will have the high contrast menu. As you guys can see, now the contrast, let me show you. The contrast is much higher. I don't know if you guys can notice the difference, but there is a slight difference in the contrast. So that's basically it. Here you guys can do that, and I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.